this technology piece that I found is called classtools.net. This is really basically the home page that appears when you go to that website. It says that you can create free games, quizzes, activities, and diagrams in seconds. And it really is free, no sign up, no password. You really can just click on and begin. So as you can see, I chose this resource because it really does allow for the teacher to modify their content to basically whatever subject you are teaching. So there are a few just to pinpoint that I found to be very interesting and that I will use quite a bit. One is called Image Reveal. The steps pull up here as you can see. Step 1, easily, I did upload an image already off Google. Step 2 and 3, very easy, just as it shows. So here you can see some of the options. It's really simple. I think maybe that's why I like it. The audience that I chose for this would be my students, of course, and I really thought of vocabulary assessing and vocabulary practice. For my newcomers right now, we are working on school supplies. So what I did was I went to Google, like I mentioned, and got a stapler easily and quickly and put that in. So you can see you have fewer tiles if you'd like. What I thought they could do was maybe pose some yes or no questions for me, really even just practicing how to ask questions is also a good practice for this activity. There are lots of different ways you can play. I can even just start revealing some and then they just raise their hand when they think they know what it is. So after they guess, if they guess at any time or if you just would like to reveal the image, that's it. So I really did think this was a great resource to have. And let's see, I thought this website really did reach the ISTE standard of as the educational leader 2A. I do feel like we can shape, advance, and accelerate a shared vision for empowered learning with technology and engaging our students using this. Definitely engaging games like the arcade game generator. You get to choose an arcade game. Seriously, it's that easy. Put in your own questions, so it's great for an assessment at the end of a chapter or a unit. And they get to play a little bit, answer a question, play a little bit more. I thought this was cool too. QR treasure hunt generator. There's just a lot of really fun, engaging things for the kids to explore and for teachers to utilize. So my other ISTE standard would be another educational leader standard 2C. I do feel like I am modeling for my colleagues identification of and exploration of new digital resources and tools. So hopefully you find this as helpful as I believe I will. Thank you.